What's up guys? So today I am just filming a really simple video. It might not be that interesting to some people, but to me it's interesting and it's something I think that's really important to talk about. And it's just gonna be how I wash my makeup brushes. I've been wanting to film this for a while. I get some questions about it. But yeah, I'm just gonna be walking you guys through how I do that. It's really easy. And this is for me the best way to do it, and it doesn't irritate my skin in any way, shape, or form. And you want to be doing this. I do it pretty much once a week because I can't speak. I do it pretty much once a week because I do a lot of makeup for photo shoots at my school, and you know, I use my makeup brushes on other people's face, and I don't want to be mixing up all of those germs. And I also would wash it after every shoot if I did that. But I also do YouTube a lot, and my brushes just end up turning a bunch of different crazy colors that I don't necessarily use on the daily. So around once a week, but for the average person I would say once every 2 weeks minimum, because those brushes carry so much bacteria. And if you have a foundation brush, daily. You have to wash that daily because that stuff gets nasty. Example. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then just go ahead and keep watching. Alright you guys, so the first thing I'm using is this cool little mitten thing I got from Real Techniques, and I tried their makeup cleanser. I didn't like it that much, but I do like this little pad because it keeps me from having to use my hands. And then just some Dawn dish soap and some hot water. So this is probably my dirtiest brush. I use it as a foundation brush, and you'll see just how much cleaner it gets. I'll show you guys the before and after. Could you focus, please? There. All right. Alright, so as you can see, I'll hold it up in front of this again, it is much cleaner. It's back to being white, and when I peel it open, there's no foundation or anything on the inside, and you just want to make sure you get out all the soap. And I've done that, so now I'm just going to lay it on a washcloth to let them air dry overnight, and I will put them in front of the fan just to help with that. Alrighty, and then the last thing I do is just wash my beauty blender, and I literally do the exact same thing except I just use my hands. Voila! Nice and fresh and clean. Alright you guys, so that concludes this really short, simple video. I'm traveling today, so that kind of explains why it's so short. But I wanted to get something up for you guys since it is, I promised to do a video a day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and be sure to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And definitely look down below for my socials. I'll also have my Instagram right here. And I think that's everything. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.